welcome Princess Katrina. She's here with us. Thank you for being with us.
Hello, how are you? Hi, how are you? 希望你哋能夠原諒。咁樣，我係希望你哋為呢一套為華語片奪得到全球206個嘅國際影展。咁我哋今日係好高興，我哋嘅主禮林啲元會長同埋鄧律師喺度能夠做主禮，同埋邀請你哋嚟，同埋我好朋友阿亦都請咗你哋嚟。咁無論今日嘅你哋，希望你能夠欣賞呢一套戲，最重要嘅係我能夠衷心咁樣感謝你哋，真係嘅。OK， 希望我哋喺機會呢一套戲嘅時候，能夠再邀請你哋嚟呢度。OK， 多謝。
Thank you so very much for inviting me to the film today. I thought it was very moving. It was, I felt so sad for the daughter who, as it turned out to be the son, because when she was in prison, you could see that she was a man. But I thought it was very, very sad. But she had so much love and so much warmth for the animals. But people couldn't see that because it was hidden away, and she had a huge heart. But I feel very, very sorry for her. It was a fabulous film, and I'm looking forward to see what happens in the future.
How you feel about the Million Love in Me? How about after?
Very impressed me, yes, because I come from Hong Kong, exactly talking about the Hong Kong's nowadays, what's happening, yes, so when I saw the pets, living in a very small case, it made me very upset, but it's a brilliant, yes, so exciting movie, I'm highly recommend.
So thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. I am very happy to be here today for the premiere of the Million's Love in Me. I'm very much surprised and touched the film. At the beginning, I've never seen this film before, of course, and this is it's something exceptional story for me. It's life of certain people from the real true story. And I know this, I know John, I know Kani. They're making this film. They are the core of this film. I feel so proud for them for making this happen. This film is just incredible.
My name is Geeta Amin. I've seen this movie for the first time today. I enjoyed the movie because it is very real, and in the real world there are a lot of people who are really trapped in this way, and it's very sad that society doesn't accept them or understand them, and instead of trying to help them, they create more trouble for them. So I think it's a very good message. I really love the solicitor who was saying things could have been different rather than the way it was, predicted. But also I feel that animals are so lovely. Animals, give us so much love, unconditional. Whereas the mother had the right concept when she lost all her family. She introduced that the animals should be loved, but she went about it the wrong way, of course, which is very sad. And it's a generational thing which carries on. But if the human beings, if we all as a society come come to realize how important it is to support rather than to attack, then it's just a caring neighbor would have made such a difference rather than attacking and going about things the wrong way just for their own fame and name. Thank you.
I think the movie is quite diverse. It does include the gay subject, including the people at different interests. It's a new subject to our humanity right now. It's a new idea, it's new fresh blood into the broadcasting industry. Very interesting, and we actually surprising the twist in the end. And we do feel quite sad because it's based on a real story. So I think it's good. It's gonna be good because it's gonna wow the people, and it's bring up the realistic problem. It's in our life, and it's bring on to the movie, to the scene, and make people to think, and make people more to analyze. There are people, group of people alive. They need us attention. And they need us attention not to send them to the court of judge them, but to actually using the care and as the solicitor's assistant said, instead of taking the dogs and cats away, instead of putting that lady to the court, they could do both benefits instead of just looking at the people like that. They are not seen, they are not guilty, they are just product of what happened to the reality right now.
And what about you?
Yeah, the character developments are really interesting, very unique. This film, I think, will grow up to a certain audience, and I gotta say, especially with the plot twist at the end, it really shows that some people, like unlike the journalists in the film who said they are just cruel and they are mentally ill, they are actually people who needed help, people who had authentic problems who needed help. So I think it's a really good topic of the film.